Alright, so let's talk about Cougar Paws. So these are Cougar Paws right here. Heavy duty boots, and these are the padding at the bottom. And it's weird because if you touch the padding, it doesn't seem like it will grip onto anything. It's just some fabric, but if you pull this part up, that's how you get the new paws on and off right here. So it's just Velcro, but it's super effective on the roof, and it will definitely keep you on that roof and make you feel very safe and secure. Right, these right here are the guards for the Cougar Paws to protect them. So you don't really want to be walking on this soft material all day on concrete and stuff like that. So you get one of these protectors and you put your Cougar Paws in it like so. And that's how you have it. And this will also keep the sponge material at the bottom from getting wet, because you don't want to be walking around outside using these all day and then you're in mildew, you get it wet, and now you're going inside someone's home to have the final conversation with the insured or get them a check, and you have the spongy thing leaving marks inside of someone's home. Also, I've known adjusters who was wearing their Cougar Paws through an entire inspection, and then they walked on ready clay, then back on the person's driveway, and now the entire driveway is just his footprints of red clay, and then he denied the claim. So now you have red clay on the driveway, and you ruin the man's driveway, and you're denying the claim. You're about to tell him no. You think you wanted to speak to a manager after that. Someone needs to clean his driveway. This is what he asked for. So this is why this is good. You want to keep this on there to protect it. If you don't have non-slip shoes, you can just get one of these. And sometimes I will wear these to the point of where I'm actually on the ladder, and then I will kick them off and throw them to the ground, and then I'll go ahead and get on the roof with this real dry, because I feel more secure when it's dry. Alright, so that's the Cougar Paw. This right here are the replacement pads. So this is actually the Velcro that sticks on the bottom, and then this is what a new pad would look like. See, this was actually that, and it's just been worn down. But it's just a sponge. It's pretty much a sponge-like material. You could, and that's what you use to get on the roof. It's pretty simple stuff. So on the next video, I'm gonna show you guys the ridge hopper. Right? It's kind of like a Cougar Paw. You can use it in conjunction with the Cougar Paw, and it's very secure on the roof. I might have to do a demonstration later on using the ridge hopper, but it's a very cool tool, and I love it, and I think you guys will love it too once you're in the field.